Students, welcome again to Gyan Ki Baatein YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss the third chapter of CHSC Mathematics, Elements of Mathematics, Relation and Functions. As you are familiar with so many relations, the term relation. So you are familiar with so many relations, various kinds of relations, father and son relation, mother and daughter relation, father and daughter relation, brother and sister relations. In these kinds of relations, for example, if you say that Sohail is father of Samir, for example, if you say that Sohail is father of Samir and Babar is father of Humayun, okay, in this case you cannot interchange the names, you cannot interchange these two. If you say Sohail is father of Samir and if you say Samir is father of Sohail, then the meaning will be changed. So if you interchange, then the meaning will be changed. If you say Samir is father of Sohail, then the meaning will be changed. If you say Humayun is father of Babar, then the meaning will be changed. So what do you want to highlight? You want to highlight the fatherhood. You want to highlight the fatherhood. So in this case you cannot interchange the names. If you interchange, then the meaning will be changed. So these are pairs. Pairs matlab joda. So these are pairs, but these are not normal pairs. These are ordered pairs. Ordered means एक क्रम में सजाया हुआ, ठीक है. तो these are ordered pairs. If we change the order means if you write Samir here and Sohail there, then the meaning will be changed. So you cannot change the order. In pairs in which you cannot change the order, these kind of pairs are called ordered pairs. A pair in which you can change the order, but if you change the order, then the meaning will be changed. So in this case, these are called ordered pairs. So we may say fatherhood is a collection of all pairs like Sohail, Samir, Babar, Humayun, but these are not normal pairs. These are just not pairs. These are ordered pairs. If you say Samir and Sohail, then the meaning will be different. If you say Samir, Sohail, Samir, then you mean that Sohail is the father of Samir, Babar is the father of Humayun, but you cannot change the order. But in set theory we have read that 1 2 is equal to 2 1 because the order of element doesn't matter. That is in set theory, but in ordered pairs you cannot change the order. In set theory you can write 1 2 3 4 3 4 1 2 4 3 2 1 2 3 4 1. You can write as your wish. You can change the order, but the meaning will not change. For example, if you write 1 2 3 and again you write 3 2 1, then both the sets are equal. But in ordered pair, if you say AB is an ordered pair and BA is an ordered pair, then AB is different than BA because the order is different. If the order is different, then the ordered pair is also different. You cannot say that these two ordered pairs are equal. Set A and B is a set consisting of the elements A and B. If it's called a pair, it is called a pair. So as this set has two elements, we can say this is a pair of elements. If we specify A to be the first element, if we say that A is the first element specifically and B is the second element and we cannot change the order, if we specify this that A is the first and B is the second and we cannot change the position, so then we say that AB is an ordered pair and we write it as AB within regular bracket. If it is a ordered pair, then we have to write, if it is an ordered pair, then we have to write in a regular bracket. If it is not an ordered pair and it is a set, then we have to write it in curly bracket. Okay. So keep in mind, AB is an ordered pair, B is also an ordered pair because these two are in regular bracket. So we cannot say that AB is equal to BA because AB is not equal to BA because here A is the first element and here B is the second element. So due to the interchanging of the elements, the position of elements, we cannot say these two ordered pairs are equal. But if we say that AB is equal to CD. AB is an ordered pair and CD is an ordered pair. If we say A is equal to CD, so now we can conclude that A is equal to C and B is equal to D, because A is the first element in this and C is the first element in this, and B is the first element in this and D is the second element. Sorry, B is the second element in this and D is the second element in this. So we can conclude that A is equal to C and B is equal to D. If you like this short video and you want me to make another video and a full course of mathematics CHSC, then please comment me.